With MTPConnect, we're able to build our relationship with the ecosystem, not growing up like a traditional startup.
Without the support, we wouldn't have that funds to really accelerate and scale the business.
What MTP did is give us a lot of references and contacts. Otherwise, we wouldn't have had the front door open to us.
Having access to the expertise has been really valuable.
MTPConnect is an industry partner organisation for the Australian Government's Industry Growth Program. We provide tailored advice and support and connections for medical science startups and SMEs participating in the Industry Growth Program.
We provide strategic introduction, access to investors, identifying non-dilutive funding, access to international markets, and providing advice for their commercialisation of their products.
We've already signed an NDA with a major local manufacturer, and that only comes from reputation, from MTP's reputation.
A key thing has been getting the connections and also in getting to the next stage of our clinical trials and finding good clinical partners.
MTPConnect allow us to connect with the ecosystem. We're able to pitch in this year's Emergence 2026 session. We made some really valuable connections there.
Engaging with MTPConnect and the Industry Growth Program has been really substantial for our business. It gives you credibility, gives you the ability to go fast and go hard.
We've helped 84 companies through our intermediary program, held 41 events with 870 IGP clients, and the feedback has been great so far.
It's been wonderful working with these innovative companies and making a difference to set them up for success.
We leverage our deep life science connections, both nationally and internationally, as well as the expertise of our team based around Australia to empower innovative Australian business on their commercialisation journey.